guys kung ano pa ano yan. Tenteren! Tenteren!
Hindi ba yan? Hindi masarap din.
Tenteren!
Yan po ba? Lemon square cheesecake. Oh my God, it's the best one.
Oh, wow! Goodies!
Papili po, yan.
Ay, take the blood niya.
Ayan. I think ano para kay Gabriel too. Saka kay Renren.
Kasi mix eh.
Kasi hindi, every gusto niya dati pa kaya.
Ano yan?
Orange.
Hindi sila bakit putusiko mo dyan.
Oh, I remember this.
I love that. This is
Ayan, pang babies.
orange.
Oh, look at the shrimp, crackers.
You have to fry them.
Fry it.
Bisuto, di ba bisuto?
Wow, ang daming ano yun. Liver spread. Nakakatuwa naman guys yung mga ano ng ano. Oh, I thought hindi na pwedeng magdala ng ganito. Ng magic sarap. Oh, kasi noon sabi nila hindi na pwedeng magdala. Pwede pala Pwede palang magdala ng magic sarap, sabi nila hindi na pwede.
Oh, this is fun.
Frutas? Oh my God.
Yeah.
Ayan. I think Gabriel, bili niya lahat ni Gabriel. Ayan. Ano yun? That's liver spread. Okay. It says hi ho. It's like hi ho.
This pulver.
Gabriel, is this yours? This is happy. I love this.
Pulutan.
Ding dong. Ang liliit ng plastic. Oh my God.
Yaki, oh my God.
What's that, Yaki?
That's crazy.
O, sampalok. I think it's...
Those Smarties?
Cha-cha. I think,
Oh,
parang
cha-cha.
cha-cha bits. I think parang chocolate dito. Ano man?
No,
Nips. M&M. M&M.
And just Smarties.
Juice.
Oh, hindi ko pa nakakaubos ng melon juice mo dyan.
Saan? Hindi ko na nakikita. Juice. Ay, magic sarap.
Oh, I was looking for this.
O, liver spread. Para saan tong liver spread?
Sandwiches.
Pandesal. I don't know what's this. Choco. Fruity. Yan guys, pang Philippines. Ang liliit na ng mga, ang liliit ng mga pagkain sa Pilipinas na. Look. Oh, knickknacks. Magic sarap. Tang pineapple. I think this is from Gabriel. Ooh, this is expensive, huh? There, 200 something. These are expensive in the Philippines.
Oh my God. I'm obsessed with them.
These are very expensive in the Philippines.
Coco. You should sell these for 1 piece.
Ooh, wow, cheese whiz. Cheese whiz. Ba't may corned beef pa? Ayan, bumili sila ng corned beef sa Pilipinas. Masarap daw kasi.
Bakit makunat to? Pero,
Masarap daw.
makunat siya.
Ayan, maraming corned beef. Tsaka maraming juice. Honey lemon tang. Mango. Eden cheese. Wow, guys, Teng-tereng. Goodies from Philippines.
Yung sa box na nasa